Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do this recipe where you need a pizza dough, and I have a video on that. If you don't have one, you can check that out, but I just gonna share with you this recipe now. So you want to take your pizza dough and roll it out, and then you want to take some cream cheese in a bowl. You want to add some creme fraiche or sour cream to that and mix it together until it is combined completely. Now you want to spread that mixture on your pizza dough. You want to make sure that everything is covered with that. Now you want to take your poppy seeds and again spread them evenly, and don't be shy with that because that's what's gonna give the taste, so you need a lot of it. Last but not least, you can take some ham, or as we did, just some salt that tastes like smoked, and put that on top. And then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes, and you're basically done. So this is super easy. This is such a great recipe if you need something to eat fast and you still have some pizza dough left over in the freezer. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a like or a nice comment, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!